Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techy Twins. In this video, I'll be discussing with you about the navigation commands used in Selenium Webdriver. These commands are very easy to learn and implement as well. So let's understand them. First comes navigate.to method. This method is used to load a new web page in the current web browser window. It works same as the driver.get method, where we pass string. Here, reference variable of WebDriver is used along with the to method, and we have passed the URL of the application to be loaded as a string parameter. The next comes the forward method. This method is used for doing the same task as forward button on any browser. It accepts nothing as a parameter and returns nothing. Forward method works by checking the browser history and takes one page forward. Now comes the backward method. This method is used for doing the same task as back button on any browser. It accepts nothing as a parameter and returns nothing. Backward method works by checking the browser history and takes one page backward. Now comes the refresh method. This method is used for refreshing the current page. It works same as F5 key on any browser. It accepts nothing as a parameter and returns nothing. I have also shared the code snippet for you guys so that you can easily practice it. So it is a quick revision of all the navigation commands. I hope this video helped in understanding the navigation commands of Selenium Webdriver. In my future videos, I'll be coming up with more interesting topics. So do subscribe my channel. Thank you.